Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to talk about multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Now, let's take a look at our example here. Okay, so the first task we need to solve is how we can mark the result on this number line. Okay, we have 4 times 1 over 3. Okay, so on the number line, we have 0 over 3, which is 0, 3 over 3, which is 1, 6 over 3, which is 2, right? And each equal sections represents 1 over 3, okay? So 0 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and 3 over 3, right? So that's this. So 4 times 1 over 3 means what? 1 times 1 over 3 is 1 over 3. 2 times 1 over 3, we got 2 over 3. 3 times 1 over 3, and 4 times 1 over 3, okay? So that means 3 over 3, and we got additional 1 over 3, which is 4 times 1 over 3 here. And in this case, it equals to what? 4 over 3. Okay, so let's take a look at our second example. We got 2 times 6 over 5, okay? So again, we got let's take a look at the number line. We have 0 over 5, 5 over 5, 10 over 5, and 15 over 5 here, okay? So, and each equal section represents 1 over 5, okay? So 1 over 5. Now we have here 6 over 5 here, right? 6 over 5, so we need to figure out where it is. So basically, I can count from the beginning, like 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, 5 over 5, and 6 over 5, which is here. Or basically, we already have 5 over 5 here that I just need to count once, so 6 over 5 here. Okay, and now we have 2 times 6 over 5, which is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna count from here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got here, the result is here. So what's here? We have 10 over 5 here, right? 10 over 5. So 11 over 5. We got 11 over 5 here. Okay. And we have 12 over 5 here. Okay, 12 over 5 here. And that's what 2 times 6 over 5 equals to 12 over 5. Okay. So let's take a look at our next example. Now this time, instead of marking the result on the number line, we're going to actually calculate that. So the first thing, how we can calculate that? So we got 4 times 1 over 3, right? So that equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is 4 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we add these 1 over 3 together. Okay, and that equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 3, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 4. So that's why we got 4 over 3. So that's one method that we can, how we can solve this calculation. And there's another way we can do that. So again, we have 4 times 1 over 3 here. And how we can do that, do the calculation this time. It equals to 4 over 1 times 1 over 3, okay? So 4 actually equals to 4 over 1, right? So 4 over 1 is actually 4. So now we're just going to calculate this. So how we can do that? So that's basically 4 times 1 over 1 times 3, right? So 4 times 1 over 1 times 3, as I just said. And we can just calculate. So 4 times 1 equals 4, 1 times 3 equals 3, right? So we have 4 over 3 here at the same result between these two, right? So let's take a look at more examples. So this time we have 8 times 1 over 5. Okay, so how we can do that? Again, 8 equals to 8 over 1, right? So 8 over 1. So 8 over 1 times 1 over 5. We're going to calculate 8 times 1 and 1 times 5 here. Okay, so again. So 8 times 1 equals to 8, and 1 times 5 equals to 5. Then we have 8 over 5. Next example, we have 9 times 1 over 6. So quite similar as we done above. So let's take 1 second and let you think about it, how we can do that here. And now 9 equals to what? 9 equals to 9 over 1, right? 9 over 1. So, and then we have this. So we're gonna calculate that, and that brings us to 9 times 1 over 1 times 6, okay? So which is 9 over 6. But this point, why I put equal there still? So that means that I'm expecting you to do more. So think about what we should do more. So we need to simplify this fraction, okay? So because 9 divides 3 equals 3, we can both can divide 3, okay? So 9 divides 3 equals 3, and 6 divides 3 equals 2. So we can simplify 9 over 6 into 3 over 2, okay? So that's the final result of this calculation. So we should simplify our fraction where it's possible, okay? So let's take a look at more example. So 3 times 2 over 5. So instead of 1 over something, we are going to have 2 or additional numbers over something this time. So a bit more complicated than our previous example. So 3 times 2 over 5 equals 2. We're going to do the same, right? So 3 over 1 times 2 over 5. So we are going to calculate this first, then, and this next. So 3 times 2 over 1 times 5, okay? So we just need to calculate that, and the result is 6 over 5. And next example, we have 8 times 3 over 2. Okay, so what we can do that, we are going to do exactly the same, right? So exactly the same. So 8 over 1 times 3 over 2. Okay, so we are going to calculate what? 8 times 3 over 1 times 2. Okay, so that's 8 times 3 over 1 times 2, which equals to 24 over 2. So what is 24 divided by 2? That is 12, right? So 12 is the final result. So as I mentioned, we need to simplify the fraction as we could. So that divides by 2 equals 12, and 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. So 12 over 1 equals to 12. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.